Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we have the Quai Dorsay number 50. This box is from 2023. Quai Dorsay is a very well known street in Paris, and these cigars were made for the French market starting in 1970 going upwards. This box is an EMS, which is English selection, English market selection, that's what it stands for. Which means that they were bought here in the UK. And this box is a box of 10 cigars. The Quai Dorsay number 50 are 11.2 centimeters, 4 3/8 long, and 50 ring gauge. This is a box of 10. They also come in a box of 25. Let's take one out and explore the cigar. These are light cigars, very easy to smoke, usually a morning cigar for me anyways. And I've come across these actually 4 or 5 years ago, and ever since then I've been buying a few. I own a few boxes of these. I also have the 52 and the Quai Dorsay 52. Last year in Habanos Festival, they come up with another, not this one, the one the year before that, 2022 I believe. They came out with a few other editions. These usually, when I come by them online, they usually go pretty quickly, so I just went out and purchased them here in the UK. But overall, these are the cigars. If you like this content, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.